Hi, it's Mel from Integral Blinds. Just want to show you this project here we've done at a place called Burton Joyce in Nottinghamshire. These are fully featured, fully dressed, solar battery operated integral blinds. They have a fully dressed perimeter, which is this bit here, with the side profiles just over a thumb's width wide, which means the side frame profiles and the headrail is concealed. Furthermore, also the raised Venetian slat stack is concealed. So with our system, uniquely in the world of integral blinds, the blinds withdraw up entirely out of view into a deeper pocket up there. So if you're going to have your blinds fully raised most of the time, many people do, especially if you've got a view such as what you've got here, you really want to get the most of that. You withdraw your blinds up the top behind the deep dressed perimeter. Really, in the UK, these are as good as integral blinds will ever get. So they're installed in 2 bifold doors, a 3+0 bifold door, 3 panels move in from one side to the other there, and 5 bifold doors here, 5+0 move in from right to left there. Up here you see the solar panels. They trickle charge the lithium batteries. And again, round here, you've got 2 single windows on the side. Again, they're fully dressed, fully automated, solar battery powered. The colour combination here is off-white slat with a jet black perimeter. Looks very tasty, I'm sure you'll agree. Now, if you'd like to find out more about Swift Glide automated or indeed magnet operated integral blinds for your own project, get in touch with us on 0800 6102 610. Alternatively, email us at sales@integralblinds.com, and we'd love to talk to you about your own project or a project you're doing for your clients. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.